Alright, we got it back from Cut and Buff here. We got our pinstripes done by Jeff Dastrip. Around a couple of the edges, it's like a dark navy blue. And it's looking great. They put that chromatic coated on there. She's just pretty as a picture. We're going to work on getting the wood in the bed and the fuel net cooked up. That's the big things here. We got it up on blocks here so we can get under there to get to those bolts without taking the bed totally off. And we're just going to kind of feel our way out on this. Some of the stuff wasn't double checked because of, you know, situations, and so we're just hoping that we're gonna be able to get this all together here. Down to the last couple of days on this truck and it'll be here. It'll go in for carpet. We got a TMI seat coming in, and they're doing the headliner and visors as well. Yeah, not much to do. A lot of testing, you know, checks, electrical stuff, going through and making sure, and this thing really even hasn't taken a real good test drive yet. So we got a lot of little things to do like that, just making sure everything's right. But as for now, we're just gonna finish assembly and see what happens after that.
Now we got to go, it's time to go. I think that we all know that Johnny Boy is on his way. Jump in the car, Murphy's the gas. Doesn't take long before we hear the sirens blast. But we don't take calm, 'cause there ain't no way. Yeah, we don't stay calm, 'cause there ain't none of those coppers gonna lock us up today. No way.
Alright, we're getting there, but it hasn't been without difficulty. They sent the washers for the fender bolts, and they expected us only to put these on the inside of the fender. I don't think that they were expecting us to put them on the outside, so we had to get a whole nother slew of those. And then where our bolts are going through the brackets that we made, those are also needing to be longer, so we had to go get longer bolts twice now. All right, so we got these all bolted down. I left this one loose because of those fuel lines up there. Ended up marking out a little pocket inside the piece of wood here to give these guys just a little bit more room. It's very close, almost don't need it, maybe don't need it, but we're gonna give it a little router on the inside of that board. I took it over there to Marshall's Shutters here in St. George to have him touch it up. He's did all the stain and sealing on these boards for us. Obviously it's beautiful. Got our bolts tightened down on our fenders. All these ones are tightened down. We're just gonna get that last board here. We're gonna have to take loosen the bed back off, lift it back up on this side to get all those bolts tightened down. That'll have to be tomorrow because it'll take them into tomorrow afternoon to get that routed and sealed again. We might mess with these chains. We need to make them a little bit shorter so it holds the tailgate up right, because of the way we changed it here. I want to stick the bumper on, but I don't think I'm going to because I'm worried about the bed touching it when we're messing with this. Yeah, I can't do much until we get that board back, so we're gonna just keep ourselves busy. I don't know. We'll do something. We got plenty to do around here, I know that. All right, shortening up these chains, which means heating up this hook and making the hook kind of come in closer here. So this one is close. It could use a little bit more. That's it. It's got our tailgate looking level. And we need to tighten this one up a little bit. All right, got them both to the same length here. Now we need to get this polished back out. And I'm gonna try a few things, but I might have to take it to my polishing buddy. But let's see what we can do. There we are. Still has some Mars, but I don't actually think anybody would ever know that you messed with the chain, you know? They're not inspecting the chain or something. They're saying, hey, I think you jacked with that chain a little bit. I don't think that's the case. Huh, that's all right. It's all right. Yeah, that looks fine. Looking fine, looking fine. Fine, young sir, fine. So Marshall's Shutters hooked us up again. He made us our pocket for our fuel line here. And that's just gonna give that just that little bit of room that we needed over there, just so it doesn't break that plastic piece on that line. It looks perfect.
One job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.